Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Here we go, folks. Kicking off the day a little bit past dark 30. We just got a few things to do here. Starting off, putting this intake manifold on. We got the bolts for it here. We're going to put this on, put the fuel rail on, put the air box in, put the battery in. Fire this puppy up. Ando could put that heat shield on. I ain't even sweating that. Coolant level still good. We got to check the oil. And should be good to go. So let's get cracking. Everything's together. We are ready to rock and roll. It is now 7:22 a.m. Battery's too dead. You got a jump box? You got a jump box? How you gonna start the car? And there we go, folks. This car is running. And nothing appears to be pouring out of the can still. Awesome. It hadn't been started in 2 years?
More than 2 years.
Wow. And the cams are kind of quiet. Kicking off the second part of the Tinker Day doing the timing belt. And look at the bolt on the front of that oil cooler line. That thing is backing almost way out. We got oil on the oil cooler line thermostat. Also notice some shininess on the crank and all these other pulleys. The serpentine belt seems like it was maybe manufactured with the teeth off just a little bit, and that belt's getting eaten up by all these pulleys. But this thing has a good water pump and everything on it. It's just 10 years old and the belt's time to change, so we're going to change all this stuff. Got a drop of oil on the oil filter, and we look up there. Oil cooler lines leaking. How old do you think they are? Like 6 years old?
Not even. 3 or 4.
Oh, dang. Were they Volvo lines?
Yep.
So we're doing the timing belt, water pump, all that good stuff. And man, look how that water pump came out. 98% of the gasket. That's a win, folks. So we're already ready to start going back in with this stuff. Timing belt job complete.
That's the way that money always goes.
That's enough to not be worried about or working yourself to death. You know. Looks like we're clean as a bean. About ready to fire it up. Look at that racing Gates belt. Thing is bad to the bone. Got the coolant in here. Ready to fire it up. Let's see how she gonna run.
Tighten down a little bit more. Make sure everything's perfect here.
Don't make it too tight. And things, you're going loose on it. That's loose. That's loose.
That's the reason right to tighten.
Yeah. Clockwise with that thing. And we about to do it, folks. Contact. Woohoo! We got that. Listen to that thing. It's sounding mean. Tracking nice and straight. Nothing dripping under it. Just the way you want it. Check the parking brake. Did not have parking brake cable function, so when we swing back through here, we will be doing parking brake. Tomorrow morning, we're going to be doing oil cooler line block off and heading back to Cincinnati. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.